wonderful women out there. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today? It's Shivani Boutique. Today it's going to be salwar materials with beautiful handworks, with French knots, and so many things like chiffons and then cottons and so many varieties. It's going to be two parts, part 1 and part 2. Let's start the part 1 show. All of you sit back, relax and enjoy the show. If you want, if you require any queries, you can WhatsApp us 95855011762 or else www.shivanisboutique.com is our link. You can straight away go in and browse it, surf it and then place your order. The first thing is this. So this is a half tessered fabric. You can find beautiful French knots, and this is the pant for this, and this is the dupatta for this. So there are two colors, one is this and the second one is this, what I am wearing, alright. And then the second color is this. It's a grey color with French knots all on the top. It's more or less similar what I am wearing. And then it's a contrast matching red color pant with this beautiful silk cotton. It's not a silk cotton, it's more or less a modal silk dupatta. So this is how it looks. So, and then the next one is this. These are all half tessered. The fabric is too good and it gives you a nice posh look. You can wear it for a small little functions at your house, and so it is of that way, or else you can wear it for a casual office wears also. And this is the pant for this, and these are all hand embroideries, and then modal silk printed dupatta. So the silk, this is very lightweight as well. You can just spin it and leave it as such. Just flaunt it. And yes, I have got nice color. One more color is this. So beautiful and nice. All the fabrics. Even double XL customer can go for this. The width and the length is really good. For prices and product descriptions, please click the above link which we have provided. It will straight away leads to you to that page. And this is the floral dupatta. All are very nice. It's a pale pink color, and then the next design is this. This comes with a beautiful hand embroideries, bullion knots, and see this. It's a purple color, and the fabric is a half tesser by linen fabric, and this is a silk cotton pant, and it's a orange colored dupatta. All are embroidery value added items. And then I have got 1, 2 and then 3 colors in that. All are like, this is like a Kota cotton one. So, see this. So nice and amazing with all French knots and bullion knots. And this is the pant for this, and it's a Kota Doria dupatta with embroideries. So you can find nice and fine works on it. And the second color in this is this. It's a Kota, supernet Kota kind of with linen mix. The fabric is amazingly beautiful, and what to say, it's neat and fine, and it comes with a Kota Doria dupatta. So that is how it is. And see this lovely beautiful colors. All are nice beautiful colors. So this is the top with all French knots and bullion stitch, and this is the pant for this, and this comes with the amazing. Alright, and one more is this. The fabric is different in some, and the fabric is different in this, but the designs are one and the same. So however you want it to, you can go for it. It's a purple colored one, and this is the pant for this. And this comes with the dupatta of this. And I've got nice colors, all lovely beautiful colors. See this. It's a pale pista green with pink matching, and then see this. It's a beautiful chiku color with deep red color matching. So all are one and the same. The colors are brilliant colors we have got. And the next thing is this. 1, 2 and then 3 colors I have got. So what could be the range of this? This is 2200. All the ranges will be like 2000 200 to 2800 range to 1900. In that way, you just check our website for prices. And this is the top for this, and this is the pant, and this comes with an amazing dupatta. So nice and fancy. The dupatta is really good in this. And yes, I have got wonderful colors. You can find this thing, it's contrast matching. It's a mustard yellow color with maroon color matching, and see this, it's a deep grey color with pink matching. Alright, okay, then the next, see this, so nice and fine. The fabric is really wonderful, half tussar fabric. I have got 1, 2 and then 3 color charts in this. All are brilliant colors. I'll open this. So nice and fine it is. So this is the top for this, and you have got a same color top and pant, and only the dupatta is a contrast matching modal silk dupatta with printed. So nice and fine. Alright, I have got nice color. The second color is this, and then the third color is this. It's a deep green color. It's a nice different English color. Alright, what's next? See this. In this also I have got 1 and 2 colors, 2 different colors. We'll open this grey and show. See this, so nice and fine. It's 2050. Whenever I come across the range, I will be telling you now and then. So it's a hand work, and this is the contrast matching pant, and this is the organza. So such a nice, amazing one. And the second color is this yellow with the contrast matching. Nice, bright and beautiful it is. Alright, what's next? See this. All lovely, lovely collections I have got. All are new arrivals, especially for these festival season and everything, monsoon season and everything. And see this. So these all could be called as office wears or casual wears, however. So this is all hand work on the top, and what could be the range is 2200, and this is the pant, and the amazing part is this dupatta. So lovely dupatta. You can find minute work on it, a stripes and then a printed one, and the color choice are these. See this lovely English color, this contrast matching, and then see this, so nice. It's a beautiful greenish metallic green color. So if you want to order via WhatsApp also, you can call us 95855011762. Then what's next? See this lovely beautiful designs. All the two are similar designs. Alright, and I'll open this navy blue, deep navy blue color. So all hand works, and this is the pant, and the surprise is the dupatta. So lovely organza dupatta. It's so pretty. 2,400 the rate is. So this is how it looks. And one more color is a beautiful pink color. See this lovely pink color combination. So nice and fine it is. And what's next? See this. All are half tassers. Half tassers really gives you a nice posh look, and the maintenance is also really easy. So this is the second design. I'll open this green. Such a nice, amazing design. See, it's all hand embroidery, and this is the pant for this, and this is the organza dupatta for this. So that is how it is. And the second color is this lovely grey, deep grey color. So see this, the pant, and contrast. It's not a contrast. You can find floral organza dupatta. Okay, what's next? So the fabric is easy maintenance. These fabrics are, because it's half tassar, half linen, half half super net quota. So the maintenance is really easy, and for casual wear, for office wear, you can just go for it. So this is the top. You can find beautiful French knots on it. And this is the pant, and see this lovely beautiful modal silk. This modal silk, this dupatta is now into trend. It's a digital printing, and it is now into trend. Alright, and I have got color. So this is the second color. You can find this, and this is the third color. And you have got a same matching pale coffee top, coffee pant with a contrast matching. So dupatta, it's a digital modal silk dupatta. So that is how it is. And what's next? See this, it's a modal silk with a beautiful embroidery on the neck. Nice modal silk. It's a silk thread fabric also with a vertical stripe pant, and then this comes with the amazing chiffon dupatta. If you want to place orders, 9585501762. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page, so that you can order it in our website. Yes, we do within India and international shipping also, and you can make available of it. And see this. This is also a modal silk. Modal silk this is, and this comes with the neckline where these are all ablas, and this is the pant, and this comes with the beautiful, lovely pussycat chiffon dupatta. I have got one more color in this. Such a nice color it is. Blue color, lovely blue color it is. Alright, what's next? See this amazing kota, super net kota fabric. Lovely it is. I'll open this half white. I'll open both and show you guys. So you can make use of the neck pattern as like this. It's a super net kota, and this is the pant for this, and modal silk dupatta. So lovely and pretty it is. And the second color is this. It's a beautiful posh green color. So you can make use of this as a neck pattern. So that is how it is. And this is the pant, and this comes with the amazing dupatta. So lovely, and the color is also very, very beautiful. Alright, what's next? See this. This I have only one. So all comes with the French knots, bullion knots. It's 2,100 rate, and this is the pant for this. And see this amazing dupatta, digital ones. It's so nice and fine. It's a very light, what to say, modal silk mixed fabric. It's so nice. By cotton also it looks. So, and then what's next? See this beautiful embroideries all over. These are the two different colors which I have. Open this grey, all over design it is. It's a half desert fabric. You can either place the design over here, or else what is the range for this? It's 1,600, and or else you can make it this. You can put it here in the daman, however you want it to. And this is the pant, and this comes with the amazing half organza dupatta. The dupatta is really good. So pretty and beautiful. And what's next? The second color is beautiful bottle green with this vibrant pink color. Alright, hope you guys enjoying seeing our collection. Sit back, relax, and then enjoy our show. So whichever you are liking, you can straight away log on to our website and then place your order. This especially this design is so pretty. It's very beautiful looking. See this? It's a kota cotton fabric, and you can find all bullion knots over there. And this is the pant for this, and this comes with an amazing silk cotton dupatta. Some are silk cotton, some are modal silk, some comes with the modal by silk by cotton. So see the color. Oh my god, the color is mind blowing. lovely beautiful colors, monsoon colors. Some like light, some like dark. It all depends on you. So because each and every individual is unique, so whatever you wanted to have, you can pick it. So see this beautiful, it's a deep mehendi green color with mustard yellow color combination. And what's next? This is a chiffon fabric. Yeah, it is a georgette. All right, and this comes with a in the neck, and this is the band for this, and the dupatta is this chiffon dupatta. Yeah, this comes this chiffon dupatta and georgette top it is, and I've got nice colors, so beautiful, all beautiful, nice colors in this, and this is the second design. This is also georgette top. The range is 2100. It comes with a beautiful handwork on the top, and then this is the pant for this, and this is the chiffon dupatta. This is how it is. Alright guys, please stay back. Let's wait for part 2. Thank you so much. We'll meet you soon, and bye bye.